Hi there. I hope everything is fine with you. Let us see the step number 2 of how to make the transition, and that is find out management's expectations, what management expects out of you. You might have a job description that will tell you what you have to do, but then there are some other things which are not explicitly written or said in so many words. See the culture and see the behavior of other people, especially those superior to you. Demonstrate loyalty. Be honest with yourself, with your employer, with your colleagues, and with your subordinates. Have good judgment and try to build your judgmental skills. Keep the interest of the employers in mind. It does not mean that you start compromising on everything, but be sure to keep your employer's interest first. Keep confidential things confidential. Maintain the confidentiality. You are now part of the management.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.